Hello, everybody. Tony DeCreasy here with Freight Brokers Academy, and I wanted to let you know that this Saturday, December 11th, at 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, we'll be providing a free training session for people interested in the freight brokerage business. We're going to cover the simple, easy, and effective way to make tons of money working from home as a freight broker or freight agent. Now, for the past 8 years, Freight Brokers Academy has been teaching people just like you how to be successful in the freight brokerage business. And this Saturday, we're going to have a YouTube live session, again, starting at 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central. That's December 11th, YouTube Live, where we're going to cover the keys to success, how to make it simple, easy, and effective, how to make tons of money working from home as a freight broker or freight agent. So please join us. And you'll also have an opportunity for questions and answers at the end of the session. I'll be providing the answers myself live. So anything you have about working from home, how to run a business from home, how to get into the freight brokerage business, how to make a ton of money in the freight brokerage business, we're going to cover it this Saturday, December 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Hope to see you there.